Hello, and welcome to SmartFactory for LN by PCG. We're a leader in digital cloud-based manufacturing solutions for Infor. In this video, we'll begin to look at the quality app, looking at the inspection builder, the manager, and how inspections are reported on the shop floor. Look for compliance in another video. So let's go out to SmartFactory. First, let's build some inspections. Inspections are comprised of properties. For this video, we've already built 2 inspections for illustrative purposes. Let's look. Properties can be designated as process control or product compliance related. Various types include booleans, lists, numerics, or text. The group allows for easy filtering and managing the apps. Label the inspection. Provide the unit of measure that you're looking for. Mandatory indicates it must be completed. The limits designate what are logical readings you would expect. If I check critical, I then establish what are the specific upper and lower control limits for this particular reading. Details allow me to provide further instruction. The URL allows me to access any reference site that will help the operator execute this property correctly. Once you've configured it, you're able to test. Make sure that that reference, whatever it is, launches properly. In this case, we simply used our Teams account. You could be using Infor document management, some other PLM system, or a different quality system. As long as access is granted, SmartFactory will accept any valid URL. And obviously, we've attached an image to help the operator do the right thing. All properties function in this same way. SmartFactory enables the creation of properties for any variety of inspections you may do. Safety may be important. You may be operating in an environment where cooler or storage checks are important. Any number of first article inspections may be critical to your success. SmartFactory enables all of those. Inspections are the grouping of properties to make the desired inspection. I'll select one. When there are outstanding inspections, they can no longer be deleted or edited because data has probably been recorded. To make an inspection using the properties that you just saw, it's very simple. I'll group by my filter. Simply click on the properties that I want. Should I want to change the order, I can easily do that. Name it, add a description. I can simply add a reference document, test it. If I want to use Teams hook, SmartFactory's collaborative capability. So whether you're using Teams, Slack, whatever mechanism for internal collaboration, SmartFactory will support it versus bombarding key resources with text messages or email. If this inspection is required for compliance, I simply check it here. In this case, we won't build that inspection with that requirement. Confirm, and I've added that to my array of inspections. Now let's go look at the inspection manager. Inspection management in SmartFactory is rules-based. I can manage requests for inspections on an ad hoc basis, but most of the time we'll be using the rules available. Let's look at the most common time-based rules. I may have an inspection that is a daily event. And you could see here, this one occurs every day at 5 a.m. before I can begin running. I may have a check that's conducted hourly, or perhaps I want it to be done on some other frequency, all of which can be configured. We identify the item in the work center, the type of check, and the priority. You can also designate inspections as requiring a second signature if the lead or the supervisor must sign off on the operator's work. Product runs are, again, SmartFactory's capability to report production orders on an intermittent basis. And I may want to check that particular item for every product run, or just that first product run as a true first article inspection. I have all the same elements available for me to configure. The final rule set is inspection based, where I may have workflow of what to do when an inspection fails. Conversely, I may also have checks set up when an inspection passes, and I have a particular sequence of checks and inspections that I want to go to. SmartFactory will support any of those. Finally, we'll look at inspection reporting through the eyes of an operator. Here you see I'm on the shop floor work summary. I've already completed one of the 2 quantity required. I'm about to make the second, but in order to do that, before I report it, I've got to complete my first article inspection designated for every product run. I select the inspection. I could have a manual available to me. I'll jump right in and inspect the requirements. SmartFactory allows you 2 options for recording: the comprehensive clipboard view, where you see all items listed on one page. And for this check, I have images. I may have a document to guide me through the process. You'll notice that the type of inspection lit up with the range that I would expect. I'll record that. This one's been set up with pass or fail. I've passed. Second item may or may not have an image, but you'll notice the values change that I'm looking for. And my final is a Boolean check. You'll notice that the data type changed. I'll enter that, hit record, and be able to confirm my inspection results. It's also possible in SmartFactory to record the properties by individual page if you so desire. All data captured via SmartFactory is stored in tables. Within SmartFactory, PCG offers Actualize as an advanced integrated data capability when looking to drive quality reporting. Thank you for watching today's video. For more information, please contact PCG and look for the other videos in this series.